Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a DIY on a floral wall. I welcome you back to my channel, and if you could please like the video, subscribe, share, and we'll be back. We're going to go ahead and get started. We do have our flowers. We have a white variation. It's like an orange. It's one lavender bunch. Have a couple of yellow, couple of like a fuchsia color, and then we have a pink. And of course, we will also be using the supplies that we showed. Glue sticks. I'm gonna use this as a puncher to score. I have my glue for my 2 poster boards. Tape. And then we have our hot glue gun. So, with no further ado. Okay, so here are the flowers that we're going to be using for our DIY floral wall. And the supplies include the glue gun, the glue sticks, and the score. Didn't use the tape, we only used one of the boards. And this is taking off the flowers off the stems. Okay, so now we have all of our flowers off of their bushels. And we have 90 pieces altogether. So we have 6 lilac, 10 of the pink, 12 yellow, 12 orange, 18 fuchsia, and we have 32 of the white. So we're gonna go ahead and put our board together with the tape. And I'm gonna just lay out on the board how I think I might wanna set this up, and then we'll be back and we'll get everything glued to the boards. Didn't use the pink. So I think this is how I want to set it up. And we're going to go ahead and apply. Just putting the glue on the back of the flowers. I did use some greenery from the bushels, the flower bunches that I had. So here we're just adding a little embellishment, a little silver trim around the board, just to accessorize it a little bit more. Okay, well, I did make a few adjustments. I added a trim, as I mentioned. I added a couple more extra flowers, and voila, here is the final product, our floral wall. Although we did make some slight adjustments, it still turned out nice. And if you like, please subscribe, share, and come back for the next video, guys.